Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bill Jones. I'm the founder and CEO of CollectorDash. Let's talk about collectors. Collectors are this special group of people. They spend stupid amounts of money on stuff, and they want to be talked to. They want to talk to you. They want to take you into their lair and show you their Coke cans, right? This is a typical collector. Well, not particularly typical. He really likes Coke cans. I saw him pay $2,000 for a Coke can. And the interesting thing about it was when I asked him, what does your wife do if you get hit by a bus? His response was it startled me. He smiled, twinkle in his eye, and he said, you know what, she'll probably just recycle them all. The point here is collecting is for fun, and he knew what the point was. Collectors represent a target market. Millions of people, billions of dollars are transacted. If you're not a collector, you certainly know them. And they've probably brought you down to their basement to show you their collection. So what do collectors do? CollectorDash, the target market is collectors. So the dictionary definition of to collect is to get things, keep them together, for a particular reason. So let's evaluate each of those things. To get things. How do collectors get things? This is what makes them a great consumer target. They buy them, they trade them, they discover them. Those are the three things that collectors do that defines collecting. Keep them together. That's managing them. Third, for a particular reason. Why do they do this? They do this because they think they're going to go up in value. They do it because of the social element, the sharing. They want to explain their collection to you. And eventually, either they or somebody else in their family sells their collection. CollectorDash views the entire life cycle of what a collector does. And that's what makes us really, really interesting. We've created a software platform that has utility to the single user, right? They can get usefulness out of it by themselves. We build the community element to enable sharing, and we provide the most compelling marketplace for them. We're live today with action figures and model train collectors, two very different demographics. We have 23,000 registered users on the site today. We have the largest catalogs and hundreds of thousands of photos of action figures and model trains. Our users love the site. They use it. We have close to 1 million items under management today. We have the largest values guide, and we're adding auction capability to our marketplace capability today. In short, we are revolutionizing the business of collecting. This is just a screenshot of what our action figure site looks like. It's a neat thing. We've got a mobile app for Android and iPhone. You can do really interesting, innovative things, and this is who we are. Deep engagement, social, community, and mobile. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Amy Baxter, CEO of MMJ Labs and BuzzyForShots.com. About 75% of people find this picture to be pretty funny. The other 25% are so afraid of needles, they actually avoid healthcare. That trend is growing. Look, if you were born before 1983, you only got 6 shots before you were 6 years old. Shots probably aren't a big deal. But since 2000, children now get between 30 and 36 shots before they're 6. Consequently, 63% of this population is afraid of needles. When they're old enough to drive themselves to the doctor, what if they don't? What if shots didn't have to hurt? Thanks to our award-winning technology, they don't. It's called Buzzy. To understand Buzzy's revolutionary technology, you have to understand nerves. Pain, cold, and motion sensations all travel on the same pathway to combine in the spine and send one single message to the brain. Fortunately, pain nerves are small, so if you overwhelm them with cold and vibration, the pain disappears. Put your finger under cold water when it's burned, the pain's gone. So our revolutionary technology combines a high-frequency vibration and a cold pack we call Buzzy. Put them together between the brain and the pain, and like magic, the pain disappears. I invented Buzzy for vaccinations. Our research shows that Buzzy is very effective for IVs, for adults. Because the same pathway transmits burning, even arthritis shots or Botox, sharp sticks, splinters, any of these pains can be removed by applying Buzzy. Even eczema and itching are on these same pathways. so this can overcome the fear of needles. Instant pain relief is a game changer. But at Buzzy for Shots, we wanted to be world changers as well. We wanted Buzzy available over the counter for families and individuals, not just doctors. In hospitals, we wanted Buzzy to be affordable and to not cause so much medical waste. Even our box, which is made in Georgia, is sustainable. This story couldn't have happened anyplace but Georgia. Formation Design believed in us when I brought them a little homemade prototype and helped us win our Medical Design Excellence Award. Thanks to APDC's Julie Collins, we got a $1.1 million NIH grant. GCMI, Georgia Tech have all been part of the success story, and this year, we're bringing manufacturing back to Georgia. So on behalf of myself and my team of world changers, thank you for helping us spread the buzz.
Augmented reality is improving your life. You're already familiar with the yellow downline, and Merlin's augmented reality is going to improve your life in ways you've never imagined. Coca-Cola is using Merlin to bring their products to life. Lowe's will enable you to envision products in your home without having to leave. Augmented reality assists with assembly tasks and lets us visualize where a particular part belongs in an assembly. Merlin brings marketing to life, and our client Hire enables their customers to visualize products and test out their functionality before purchasing. Panasonic Automotive helps you visualize things you would never be able to see with your naked eye. Merlin will become the owner's manual for your life, for the products in your life. Our customer, Whirlpool, enables you to point your mobile device at the washer and receive instructions. We can integrate video, and we provide an opportunity for upsell as well. There's a huge body of research that demonstrates that augmented reality helps people successfully accomplish technical tasks faster than any other technology. Our partner Centrinsic has embedded our technology, and we enable pump manufacturers to receive instruction. If you have data, Merlin can help you envision that data in your environment. We streamline productivity and help make your workers more efficient. Merlin offers a software-as-a-service platform that enables enterprises to create this content for their products. Everyday content developers access our platform and create the content, which is quickly published to mobile. Once published, our content quickly loads, and changes can easily be pushed when needed. We're at a key inflection point in the market. Enterprises have this content available today through their product design and through marketing. Gartner says that in 4 years, every device will be a smart device. I'm Margaret Martin. We're out here at booth 19. Please stop by and see Merlin's magic.
Good morning. Some amazing stuff out here today. So nice to be out here talking about the innovations taking place in Georgia. I'd love to tell you a little bit about what Catavoult's doing in the enterprise mobility space. Did you know that in 2013, it takes longer to build an enterprise application than it took to build the Empire State Building in the 1930s? And 24% of the times, those applications fail. That level of upfront commitment and risk has created pent-up market demand and an opportunity to innovate. Catavolt is a cloud platform that enables companies to build and deploy real native mobile applications on all the platforms, and to do so without ever writing any code or going through expensive software development projects. This reduces the project timeline to just 3 weeks. And applications built on Catavolt have deep enterprise functionality and integration that make even the most complex tasks doable from their mobile devices. And we do so with the highest level of security. Security robust enough that in conjunction with SAIC, Catavolt is modernizing the Department of Defense electronic healthcare record system, a system that serves 9.7 million patients. But to think of Catavolt as a mobile apps company would be like thinking of Apple as a mobile device manufacturer, because mobile applications are just one piece of the bigger picture. Think of it this way. Your users are out on their mobile devices, and the data and the business process that they need is locked inside of several enterprise systems that are often legacy, that do not communicate well with each other, that are not mobile friendly. Catavolt has a hybrid cloud platform, a platform that reaches out into traditional data centers, wraps those enterprise systems, makes them extensions of the cloud. It enables us to weave together a unified view for our end users that spans those systems. We do so without ever replicating or taking data outside of those systems. That level of agility and security has helped our customers be innovative in their industries by allowing their employees to make better decisions and to be more productive using mobile technology. Folks, it's an honor to be here. Some amazing businesses in Georgia. I believe that Atlanta will be one of the mobile capitals in the world. And companies like AirWatch, like Merlin, like Catavolt are leading the way to make the mobile revolution one that is valuable and profitable for all businesses. Thank you very much. Have a great day.